No, this is a lot lighter for the press. Plus, I can wipe the oil out of it now, so it doesn't make such a big mess.
Is there any chunks in there?
Well,
With my luck.
does it matter?
At this point, no.
Okay. What if you lose the key? Because the key counts a chunk?
I think it's got a good battery.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been full all this whole time.
Okay, now we can take this heavy ass thing. It's a lot lighter than it.
Let me migrate. Oops.
Or just put that anywhere.
Oh, we lost something.
Yeah. Where did this come from?
That was our testing tool.
Oh, that's right.
Okay, how many tons is it going to take to get this alternator rotor off?
Dude, that case is flexing.
Are you sure? How much was it flexing?
A bit.
Oh. See, I can flex it some more, or we just stop? Pretty tight. Okay, I need a tube. Tube! We get a tube.
This? No?
No. I need a tube about 4 inches diameter.
Oh, watch out.
Oh.
In there.
Darn it, I thought you were going the other way.
How about this one right here?
Oh, it's not really a tube. I was gonna grab that one, though.
Well, that'll work too.
Where's looking at?
Need this one. What do you call that? That's not a tube? What is that?
That's a offset centrifugal loading equalizer.
Okay, you want to use that or you want to use a tube?
What do we leave?
Which one you want to use?
That one. The loading equalizer.
This one's bigger, more support.
I like that.
Thicker wall. I made this one.
That's custom?
Yeah, it was made for something. I don't know what I made it for. I made
Custom
it
part charge.
I made it
50
for
bucks.
something. It was made for something. We just gotta make sure it's big enough to go in there now. Is the alternator falling off now?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Okay, we gotta make sure it's gonna work though. Something fall out? So you gotta make sure this doesn't hit anything important. The problem is it's gonna hit the bearing. So go give me the tube.
Yes, sir.
Here's a bigger hole. Make sure you get the
We'll
one
just
that's
go to
not
his
screwed
tube
up.
shelf.
Get the one that's not all screwed up too.
Get the one that's not screwed up. Perfect. The big ass? I mean the big freaking one?
They're both the same size. One's used, one's not. Get the right one. Oh, look at that.
I like that.
Put that one right there.
Oh, just put that anywhere.
Well, at least it didn't get my finger.
Yeah.
Hey, put that in there.
Just my base gasket. Sealing surface. That's cool.
Yeah. Put that on the shaft. There we go. Could be halfway close to center. Make sure you just eyeball it and get it centered. Should look pretty close.
Close enough.
It stopped.
God, what a joke. My hands are slippery.
Good magnet.
Magnet still works.
We'll get the
That's
tool.
good.
This is a permanent magnet, not a temporary one.
Get the tool.
Yeah, the tool.
Alright, we're gonna go over there.
Just hold it right there. Let me yank it out.
Look out, look out, look out.
Oh.
You have to engage the tool all the way inside the rotor there, sir.
Yes, sir. Tool engaged.
Oh.
Wow. Is this like made for this or something? Oh, what a
Yes.
nice one.
You made it
Wow.
look easy.
Oh, perfect. What do you think caused that? Some very smart, intelligent person sticking a flathead in there and trying to pry it outwards?
You like this?
Possibly. Possibly.
This might not be the right washer for that. That's supposed to be 90 thou thick. How thick is that? Is that 90? It might be 90. This
This
screws
is
are tight. That's
this is
good.
why you don't stick a flathead in there and buy the right tool.
Let's see that. Ooh.
You like that?
Yeah.
What?
They were trying to.
What's wrong with that?
What do you mean? What's wrong with that?
That's not how you do it?
No, that's not how you do it.
Why not? Here's the bearing was sitting on something too, so it came off. It wasn't supposed to come off like that. Must have not been correctly installed on the tool over here. See, it goes through if you do it right.
But he didn't do it right.
The eyeball was off.
So there goes my bearing.
All right, well, I'm gonna pull the bearing off the rest of the way then and clean it correctly. So. Clamshell pull over there, sir.
Hey, Tatro, why'd you drop that?
You lost the washer that fell off.
Ugh, don't be dropping my stuff like that.
I didn't drop it, you did. I need a clamshell puller.
Clamshell puller.
Bearing puller.
Iron puller. Hell yeah, brother.
Did you wipe off that tool so it's not full of oil?
Oh, look at this. Ripping shit off the wall. I'll do that now. Tracy's. This is slightly erotic.
What?
Here, you can go. Watch the master destroy my motor.
Very good though. Doesn't fit. Oh jeez.
Just put that in there.
Have to wipe it off now. I'd wipe it off, but I got no rag. Somebody stole it.
They're all outside.
Who stole your rag?
Somebody stole my clean rag.
Oh my goodness.
Clean rags outside. There's something like expired as fuck.
Those were the lightly used rags.
Those are vintage.
Yeah, those are vintage rags. You see the part number on those?
This was brand new an hour ago.
Yeah, it was.
That one, I believe. The ones outside, sitting in the
Those are
corner.
a dash 50 part number right there.
Those were used more. All right, that goes back on the wall, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we have a. Do you think maybe they hit the magnet in there and broke it when they put the screwdriver in there?
I think they didn't think, or I think that they didn't know what they were doing.
You think?
I think so. What will they?
All right, you can have the rotor.
For me?
You got my knuckle wheelie over here.
My bad.
I brought my rag. Wipe the rust down. Got rust on my rag.
Check this out. Look at this.
Migrate.
Be careful that you get
Junk.
yourself. Wipe the wrench off, sir. I'm gonna use up the rest of that rag.
That thing is.
No, look, it's still good.
No, you need to retire that thing.
It's still good.
That thing's fucking nasty.
All right, that's good enough. Put that down there.
Just.
Where'd you get my vice handle full of grease? Jeez,
Vice handle.
you hit it with a rag.
Oh. Here's some lubrication.
Yeah, because this place is just so clean
That's right.
that
That's right.
we need. Just kidding.
Actually, that's pretty cool. Okay, this is oily. What are you doing there? Spitting my damn garbage.
I'm not spitting. That was a Zinner. That was a Tatrocino. This is how I deal with Tatro. Every 5 minutes, you gotta.
Yeah, I'm gonna kick your ass out of
That's
here.
how I deal with
I
it.
didn't spit.
Put that crap in your damn tools.
Oh shit. I don't know.
What'd you even catch?
Let's just look at it. This is how you guys
What?
do stuff.
We don't need whatever was in the last. Yeah, you can fix that seal by putting the spring back in there.
Oh, perfect.
We'll use it.
Yeah. After I dropped $50,000 in this motor.
Here's your bearing.
Is this still good?
That's the outer one. It's the inner one.
Perfect. Just like like new.
Now for the important part.
Of course, they put that in the wrong spot.
That's how I
bad
feel
is
when
this
he's like,
race?
oh, you're messing my plugs
Is
up.
this race flaked out or not? Probably is.
I don't see anything. Oh.
Put your finger across there. What do you feel?
What do you feel?
I don't know. What do I feel?
A hole.
Well, yeah, I could see the hole. That's why. I don't need a feel for that.
You can see it. What are you talking about?
I was like gonna feel like
I thought that
there's
was
some
trick
intric-
question.
yeah,
Like
there's
it was
some
like scratched or something.
tiny little issue.
A hole. Sorry. Yeah, it's hard to miss.
I know.
What about the
Crash
top?
in there.
Oh.
It's a rough ass machine job on that thing, though.
Luckily, I know a guy.
Whittly.
Whittly.
So right there, is that flaking, starting or not?
I saw that. I think that's part of the case.
No, I mean right here, 1/8 inch in on the bearing area.
Here, I'll hold it.
I got it right here. I'm not really feeling it, so it's rough there, but we'll have to put on a hole and see how bad it really looks. But initially, I'm not seeing it flake like the other one is, but it's definitely not new. So you gotta make a decision how many new parts you want to put in this. Obviously, new bearings here would be nice, but we could probably save those two. I hone it and see if it looks worse. I would probably recommend changing this piece out.
Yeah.
Definitely this piece is bad.
I figured just some Scotch-Brite like the last
Oh,
guy.
I did fail on the inner side. Okay, that was alright. But you can see on the outside was failing too. Just started
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, I saw the inner side.
Because all the wear's on the inner side. I don't see hardly anything on the outer. So, alright, that's bad. Before that goes on permanent, you gotta make sure that doesn't hit on the stator.
Yeah.
Because that would be bad on it. It's best not to lay this on the stator.
Too bad he doesn't end his videos. You know?
If you lay it on top here, it shorts out these wires. It's no good.
Oh, good to know that.
Yeah, don't do that, guys.
Don't do that. What we just
Best
did.
not to do that.
That's amateur hour.
That looks like it's stripped. And that one, you only have to look at it.
Oh my goodness.
It's gone. And this one over here is probably gone. This one over here looks like there's still some threads in that hole. There you go. 1 out of 3 ain't bad.
I'll time straight it.
It's not good.
So how much were you giving you back on this motor?
Yeah. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go hunting this weekend.
Hey, this is made in USA.
Oh, perfect.
How old is this motor?
Yeah.
This is before China?
I know, that's what I was saying. I told you it's a US case.
Yeah, I'm not sure about that. But
Okay, well, it says it.
I don't know about that. What's the date on it? 3/11?
'04, 2004. D.
D4.
D4 destroyed.
I don't think they were making motors in 04. I'm not sure. Be pretty old.
It's a one of a kind. I'll sell it to the first bidder at $2,000.
That's
Let me know.
after 3 bill, you'd be losing money. Or
As is, $3,000 starting bid.
Starting bid.
So first guy to bring me 4 gets it. As you can see, 2,000 miles. This thing's set up pretty nice. Yeah.
Virgin motor.
The Virgin motor, 2,000 miles. Yeah. Good stator, hasn't been shorted out on the table.
Well, maybe.
Perfect.
No screwdriver
Perfect
mark.
stator rotor. No dents in that. Pistons are brand new.
No rub marks on the rotor, like right there.
No rub marks.
What's that?
Not a rub mark. This thing's pretty much dialed.
Wait, what's that right there?
Yeah. So there's no rub marks whatsoever. Oh, that's just glue.
Crap. Yeah. That means it's clearance.
There's clearance.
Yeah, that's too good.
Made in America.
Something was.
Yeah. The die that stamped that was made in the U.S.
All right. So this is what I wanted to see.
Yeah, it wasn't perfect.
We know this has got evidence of the use.
2,000 mile use.
Definitely got more up and down than side to side, but this has a lot more wear on it too. That still might be halfway usable with a new shaft. It'll be a little loose, but it's probably usable. The cam bearing, he's run some trash through, but not super bad, so it might be usable too. I would definitely clean this really good. There might be some shrapnel in it. Let's work on that. All right, let's get this out of the way and we'll get those heads apart. We'll be back. Close the lid.